Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, the plot thickens for the 2023 presidential election as all of the runners and riders start to take their positions. Guys, I bring you this 2023 Governor Fayemi's presidential campaign posters flood social media. So now a lot of you, or some of you at least, may recall that I discussed the possibility of this guy running alongside Malam El Rufai of Kaduna State in a video that I did not that long ago. So now he's now coming out in the public space now to flesh out his position. So again, the headline, 2023 Governor Fayemi's presidential campaign posters flood social media. So now let's now see Fayemi's coming out parade. Presidential campaign posters of the governor of Ekiti State, Kayode Fayemi, have flooded social media with the 2023 presidential election only 3 years away. The posters indicate that the governor is seeking to contest for the country's #1 position come 2023. The posters carry Fayemi's photo as a contestant on the platform of the ruling All Progressive Congress, APC. The campaign poster was sponsored by the chairman of Ikere local government area of Ekiti State, Mr. Femi Oyedele. The posters have become a subject of political debate on different social media platforms. Fayemi is seen in the poster wearing a sky blue agbada with a blue striped Awolowo cap. So up Awo is the sort of angle that he is using to approach it. But as I said, Fayemi for 2023 with El Rufai as his running mate. So that is the mix, and that is those are the permutations. So the permutations are the former Lagos State Governor Tinubu running alongside Dogara, the former Speaker of the House of Representatives, or any other person apart from El Rufai, or El Rufai running alongside either Fayemi or Aregbesola, with either of the Yoruba men being the principal and El Rufai being the vice president, because of course El Rufai is intent on propelling himself into Aso Rock one way or the other. So Fayemi, El Rufai, Aregbesola, this is the permutation that is coming out now, and believe you me, these people will come out and deny, because Tinubu, you can be certain, his posters came out a couple of days ago. Tinubu Dogara, he will come out and deny that he knew nothing about it and rebuke publicly whoever did it, that don't do this on my behalf, but of course he sponsored it. Fayemi will come out and say that he never knew anything about this, and he will rebuke whoever did it, but be certain that he knows everything about it. In fact, actually, he sponsored it as well. So they are all flashing up their names now in the public space and sensitizing the minds of Nigerians, and especially their political opponents, to their next move. So this is now Fayemi now throwing his heart into the ring. Fayemi for president 2023, because of course we're still having the juggernaut of is it coming to the south or not to contend with, because the northerners are making noises that they would like to retain it in their region, but then woe betide, of course, is what the south is saying. So plots and intrigues and Machiavellian moves. So this is what we're seeing now. 2023, 3 years away. You can be sure that there will be no governance in Nigeria for the next 3 years, and a lot of these people, by the way, they're just going to run their states to the ground as they build up their war chest to attack that position in 2023. Conversations in the comment section. Come share thoughts. Fayemi for 2023. This is the latest development that we're contending with. What says you? But before you come share thoughts, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done the clickings, come join me then in the comment section. Come tell me what you're making of this move that's been made by Fayemi. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.